Hello and welcome to a new video. So I decided to ask ChatGPT, the new AI that everybody seems to love so much, three important questions. Let's start. Let's begin with which one is better, software tester or software developer? Because everybody wants to know which one is better. Should I be a developer or a tester? So let's see what does it say. Nice, nice. It's not a matter of better or worse, but rather making a suitability for individual skills and preferences. Software testing and software development require different skills and involve different tasks. Right. I know, but I just wanted to know. So software testers focus on verifying the functionality and quality of the software, while software developers focus on building and implementing software. Both roles are important in the software development processes and both require different skills and expertise. Congrats. Very, very good answer. Okay, let's move on to the number 2. Okay, so manual testing or automation. We're not gonna give it any more context. We're just gonna leave it to see. I'm really curious what's gonna say. So both manual testing and testing automation have their own advantages and disadvantages. Manual testing provides a human perspective and intuition. I know, because automation focuses on what it is trained to do, so it will never have the capability to distinguish good from bad. It will just validate what it was trained to do. But on the other hand, automation testing can save time and effort. I know, because it's what I've been saying all along. It avoids doing the same thing over and over again. And as a conclusion, as it says, the choice between manual and automation testing depends on the specific testing needs and goals. It's specific to each project, so this will never be like black and white. You cannot say, "Oh, I don't want automation. Oh, I don't want manual testing." Everything is debatable on the project level. So, last question, and this is the most important. Let's see if you got this. Is manual testing going to be obsolete? Whoa. So yeah, you saw it live, manual testing. I saw this. I don't remember where. I think it was in a blog post or somewhere. There was a question like, is manual testing going to, or no? Somebody asked an AI, when is manual testing going to be finished? When the software development cycle is going to be finished? So yeah, my thoughts exactly. If you see just the last sentence, manual testing will continue to play an important role in the software development process, even as automation testing becomes more widespread. Both manual and automation testing have a role to play in ensuring software quality, and the two are often used together in a complementary manner. So, yeah, it will never go away. Manual testing is manual testing and automation is automation. There are two important categories in a software development lifecycle. And let's ask a bonus question for this AI. A little argumentative, if you do ask me. A simple no or yes would have been better, but you've seen Terminator, right? So I'll be back.